Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of elegant accessories with the Sepwedd 50PC's white paper hand fan. Hailed as the best paper hand fan on the market. Whether you're planning a wedding, a special party, or looking to add a touch of sophistication to your home decor, these hand fans from Sepwedd are designed to impress. Let's talk features. Each fan measures a convenient 8.2 inches when closed and expands gracefully to 15.3 inches when open. Display dimensions with an overlay graphic for clarity. Crafted from bamboo and paper, these fans are not only lightweight but also durable, making them perfect for various settings. Showcase different angles and textures of the fan. From decorating your wedding venue to enhancing your home or office space, the Sepwedd hand fans are a versatile choice. Cut to scenes of the fans used in different settings: weddings, parties, and home decor. What's more, these fans aren't just for show. They're practical too. Ideal for keeping cool in warm weather or adding a stylish flair to any outfit. Show someone using the fan gracefully, possibly in slow motion to emphasize elegance. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best paper hand fan that combines elegance, durability, and practicality, look no further than the Sepwedd 50PC's white paper hand fan. Click the link in the description below to get yours today and add a touch of timeless charm to your next event. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Until next time.